अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बिश इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. In this video, I am here to talk with you about the advertisement or advertisement writing in board-based exam means standard 12 in writing skill. The first question is asked about advertisement writing which carry 4 marks. So let us discuss about the types of advertisement or advertisement. I will share with you the PDF of advertisement writing on your WhatsApp number today inshallah. So let us discuss the types of advertisement. Number 1, classified advertisement. Classified advertisement, see there are two pronunciation of advertisement. One is advertisement according to British and what is advertisement American English. So we both are used to speak, so nothing there is no any wrong pronunciation. Advertisement either you say or advertisement. I am used to speak advertisement, so I will speak that only. A classified advertisement. A classified advertisement is a small advertisement or advertisement that you put in a newspaper or a magazine. Usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or offer a job. In the class 12 CB examination, choices will be given to attempt any one question out of the given 2 short answer question. 4 marks each. Based on any of the following. For example, notice writing, poster writing, formal and informative invitation and reply. So you will be given choice. Either you write advertisement or notice writing or poster writing or informal invitation or its reply, right? So it is depend on you. So I personally believe, being a language teacher, that you should go with advertisement writing, which is very easy and you will be able to because we don't need to frame one sentence while writing advertisement, and it is only written in 50 words. That is also there in box. So very easy to get to obtain 4 marks in board based exam. Now let me explain you the breakup of 4 marks for the question on advertisement writing in the class 12 English writing skill paper as per CBSE guideline is as follow, right? Format or heading, that is 1 marks, content 2 marks, expression 1 marks, total 4 marks, right? Classified advertisement is written by an employer who is giving job, who is looking for the services of a person in his organization or to sell or purchase or rent any property or for many other purposes. Type of advertisement, for example, purpose. Number 1, situation vacant and situation wanted. This situation vacant, this advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. This is so there are two type of for job there are two type of advertisement: situation vacant and situation wanted. Situation wanted, this is written by job seeker, that is called situation wanted, right? One more type of advertisement is that for sale. This is written an attempt to sell property, assets or office or goods. Then one more type of advertisement is there to let, यानी भाड़े देना. This is written by a person looking for a tenants for his property. For example, you want to sell, you want to give your house on rent, so you have to write an advertisement having a title to let. Then one more, accommodation wanted, written by the one looking for a place for accommodation. For example, you have got a job in a city, right? And you have got a good job and you want to have house, so you have to write an advertisement, accommodation wanted, right? Matrimonial, that is that you will need in future, not now. This is written while looking for a prospective marriage. candidates, either bride or bridegroom. Right? Missing, this is one more type of advertisement. This is written in case any object, person or pet goes missing, giving descriptive detail for the same. Suppose you have missed your dog or your horse or anything, so you have to write in an advertisement that I have missed so and so animal, and this is its appearance. Now tips for writing classified advertisement for class 12 English writing skill paper, which I am going to share with you. When you are writing an advertisement, every word counts. Being too vague or wordy will cause people to skim your advertisement instead of pausing to read it. If you are writing an advertisement in a lengthy way or because advertisement costs you a lot. If you publish an advertisement in a newspaper, each word cost you, means the money is taken from a person who is advertising according to the word. If you are writing more words, if you are adding more words, it means that you have to pay much money. The money is taken according to the words, so it should be short, concise, elaborate, and should be short, sweet and simple. If you are being too vague or wordy, will cause people to skim your advertisement. They will not read it because it is written in many words. So skim your advertisement. Being too vague or wordy will cause people to skim your advertisement instead of pausing to read it. So the same writing tenets principle apply no matter what type of advertisement you are writing, right? It should begin with a heading in bold or uppercase letter. Either you have to bold it or you have to write in first letter, uppercase letters. The language should be according to the audience who are referring it. For example, if you want to sell something to the youngster, the words chosen shall be good enough to attract them. We must not write such word which is beyond their understanding. So the word should be according to their understanding, and it should be formal word, it should not be informal. Next point to be kept in mind while writing an advertisement: do not use the same descriptive characteristic for every type of advertisement, because different type of advertisement, different kind of word. For example, in situation wanted case, calling for receptionist application, one must use words that are indicative of the personality and communication skill you are looking for. On the other hand, for hiring a technician executive or tech executive, it is imperative you ask for skill limited to the IT department. So you have to write an advertisement according to the advertisement. Do not make full sentences. This is you have to keep in mind. The prescribed limit is 50 words. And in order to make your advertisement loaded with information about the topic, you have to manage your words carefully. Always add contact details in the end, either in the form of contact number, email ID or both. They are generally given in the questions. Remember, nowhere in the answer you are required to mention your own personal detail. No. It should always be in a box made with sharpened pencil. It should always be in a box made with sharpened pencil. It should be neat and clean with good presentation. Practice a lot of advertisement, because practice makes man perfect. Let's see. Classified advertisement example for 12 English writing. Let me share with you an example. For example, principal Matliwala Public School, or principal so and so. Let us have an example of our own school. Principal Matliwala Public School, right? Bharuch require a receptionist for her school or for his school. We have a male, so for his school. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of a national newspaper, giving all the necessary details of qualification and experience required in the receptionist. Now, why do we call it classified? Because in times of India, if you see, advertisements are plural, they are classified. They are, if if there is an advertisement on matrimonial, so you will find only matrimonial advertisement. If it is for let, right, so it will be for let only, for giving a house on rent only. So that type of, if you just see one column of an advertisement that is for situation vacant or wanted, so you will see that advertisement only, and because of this reason it is said classified column, right, because they are classified. So the question is there before you. So let's see how to write an answer. Answer should be, this is situation wanted, right, or this is situation vacant. Required a young, dynamic, smart. We have to first, because the school is advertising for a person, for a receptionist. So what kind of person they wanted? So we have to write first the title, situation vacant, means there is a vacancy for the post of a receptionist, right? What we have to write? Required young. You can write your own adjective. Required a young, dynamic, smart, charismatic and friendly, either female or male, receptionist for Matliwala Public School, Bharuch. Attractive salary with fringe benefits. Fringe benefits, extra benefits. Healthy work environment. Fresh graduate having honor or equivalent degree in English with good communication skill can apply by sending their cover letter or resume till so and so month, till December 30 on the below mentioned ID, right, Matliwala Public School @gmail.com. For query, contact so and so number 982500 whatever X. So this is an one sample of advertisement writing. I am going to share with you the same sample inshallah on your WhatsApp group also. How to write first? Required, right, or wanted, right? You can write wanted also, not an issue. Wanted, situation vacant, it's also not an issue. Require young, comma, dynamic, comma, smart, comma, charismatic, right? You can write talented, beautiful looking. You can write, you are the king of your own words. Friendly female, receptionist for Matliwala Public School, Bharuch. Attractive salary with fringe benefits, right? Healthy work environment. Fresh graduate having honor or equivalent degree in English with good communication skill can apply by sending their cover. This is one I which I showed. Now let's see an example of second. You are Vikram or Sonia, or you are Ali or Alia, honors graduates in history with specialization. You yourself, I mean this is about yourself. You are Vikram or Sonia, or you are Ali or Alia, honor graduate in history with specialization in medieval India, right? Medieval India means you have done your graduation over history subject. Specialize your subject is, now you don't have job and you want to apply for a job and there is no any vacancy. So you have to write your own advertisement in the newspaper, right? You have to publish your own advertisement. So you will be given call if there is a vacancy anywhere, right? So first situation wanted and situation vacant. So there are two type of advertisement, right? So you are well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. You are looking for a job of tourist. Okay, so you have done your master, SS subject. So okay, so you can also apply for that. You are looking for the job of tourist guide. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for the situation wanted column of a local newspaper, right? So wanted means, so situation vacant here, BA honor history topper. How you will write it? You have to write in box, you have to write the heading situation vacant. In that situation wanted, here situation vacant. You have to write first your own about you. So what you will write, because you are graduate with BA subject, so BA history topper, Alia or Ali, with specialization in medieval India, is looking for a job of a tourist guide. Because you are very good at history, so you can guide, you can explain about particular place to the tourist very easily. So you have to write history topper, right? Vikram Ali or Alia or Vikram Sonia with a specialization in medieval India is looking for the job of tourist guide. It is there in the few, you will get job easily in Jaipur, in Bombay. There are many historical places are there. Okay, you have to write about yourself. Age 22 years, affluent in Hindi and English, well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi or in Bombay or in Bharuch, Agra and Jaipur. Good communication skills, persuasion skill and charming personality. Expected salary 50,000, right? Contact number 999751234, like this, and email ID so and so, your personal. This is an advantage, you will get 4 marks. One more type of you are Harisha or Harshita, you are I would say you are Sabnam or Sabir, right, of 12, for sale. This advertisement for sale. You are Sabir or Sabnam of 12, Sevanagar, Pune or Bharuch. You want to sell your flat. Now this is for sale. You want to sell your own flat and you don't get customer, so you have to write an advertisement. This is an example. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work and you want to sell it. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Pune Times under the classified columns. Okay, how you will write? Flat number so and so, flat number 10, 12, Sevanagar or Bapunagar or Mammadpura, Bharuch, as per your the address is already given inside the, right, in question paper only. Flat number so and so, 12, 10, 15, Mammadpura or Sevanagar, Pune or Bharuch. Ground floor with, now you have to write the description of your flat, what kind of it is. So ground, it is there in ground floor with 2 bedroom having attached bathroom, car parking available, park facing, best location, friendly neighbors, 24-hour power and water supply, low maintenance charges and reasonable price. For further details, contact Harish or Harisha, Sabir or Sabnam, so and so number. This is done. This is for sale. I will share with you the same thing, inshallah. You are Ram Rajni, you are Ram Abdul Rahim. Draft a classified advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in India Times for sale of a used motor car. Now you want to sell your car, right? No customer is coming, so you have to write, you have to publish your advertisement giving all necessary details. You can, now you have to share your details of your vehicle, right? For example, for sale, you have to have the title for sale, available black Maruti Swift or available your Yamaha or available black Maruti Swift, year model year 2016, comma, self driven, right? You have to write, you have to use a very beautiful adjective. Self driven, cautiously used, means you have not used in a careless manner. Cautiously used, scratchless, there are no scratchless, with a stereo and perfectly working air conditioner, no scratches, beautiful upholstery, means उसका जो आउटलुक है वो ब्यूटीफुल अपहोल्स्ट्री, गुड कंडीशन, इंटरेस्टेड में कॉन्टैक्ट राम रहीम एंड सो नंबर. दिस इज डन. One more, you are Karan Kumar Karuna Bajaj, leading a lawyer practicing in Surat or in Bharuch. You want to buy an independent house. This is, now selling is something different and buying is something different. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used an office plus residence. You want to buy such kind of residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified column of a local newspaper. You can be contacted so and so number. For purchase, you have to write for purchase, not for. If you want to sell, for sell. If you want to purchase, so what kind of house you want to purchase, you have to write the quality of the house. Independent house. No, it is not attached. Independent, it should be separate. Independent house at City Light Road to be used as office plus residence. Medium size, preferably the corner one. Fully furnished and ready to move in. Right? Reasonable price, interest name of contact, so and so number. This is finished, done. So this is called, these are all the different kind of advertisement which I have already shared with you, right? Inshallah I will share you the different kind of advertisement in the other videos. Hope you must have understood it. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. I will share with you the same PDF file inshallah in your WhatsApp today. Allah Hafiz.